Not rain, not snow. It's the major particles that we're breathing in. See all that shit? It's really bad tonight. Trying to get the right angle in the flashlight. But yeah, they're fucking hammering us. It's like snow flurries. They're creating that aerosol dome. And then we were supposed to go up to like freaking 61 degrees. And we were only supposed to be in the 50s tomorrow. Now they say we're going to be 71. So who knows if anything goes with the New World Order and the weather warfare. But yeah, it's what my ass stays in. I know what the hell's outside. But yeah, this is what you're breathing in. I just wish I could get a better angle to really catch it. But I mean, you can pretty much see it.